another continuation video of the series of Vashikaran, the symptoms of Vashikaran that we are doing on YouTube. Okay, so we have done part 1 and part 2 before this, and this is a part 3 of the symptoms. So previously we have covered the symptoms of Vashikaran done on love, marriages, relationships, and then we have also covered Vashikaran done on business matters and financial, monetary aspects, and also the property matters. Okay, and then we also discussed on Vashikaran done on court cases and the witnesses available for your statements. So all these things we have covered in part 1, part 2. This is the part 3 that we are doing. Okay, so today we'll be talking about, we'll be continuing this video. So people who have not seen that video, they can actually go and see, they can just type on Mahakali Vedic Healing Center symptoms of Vashikaran, and they will find a series out there. So today we'll be discussing about the family bonding matters, okay, and the career matters. These two aspects we'll be discussing today, okay, in this series of Vashikaran symptoms. So let's get started. So see now, family bonding matters. Now this is another department or another zone in which Vashikaran is done by the enemy, so that your family bondage, your family unity, your family support should break completely, should be scattered completely. Okay, yes, that's really true. If you suddenly find that your family, or you think that family members of your family, one of the members or maybe all members are not just listening, or even coming on to one particular decision or one particular compatibility things which happens mentally in a major way. Now of course fights keep on happening in the family. There can be difference of opinion also in the family. I'm not trying to say that the moment you have a difference of opinion you think it's black magic. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that once you've tried everything, and if you find that this is really, your sixth sense tells you, this is something really fishy, this is something which is not happening in a correct way, and I feel there's something is abnormal about it. So that is the time when you actually turn your head towards supernatural sciences and occult sciences, and you try to find out that what is wrong. Okay, so yes, there is something called as family bonding, in which Vashikaran practices are done to break your family association with your family. Okay, now suddenly examples of this, symptoms of this. See, symptoms of this are very simple. Suddenly you will have fights in the family unnecessarily. There will be no reason, and once you will think after the fight that what was the reason we were fighting off, you won't find any reason, and you will be surprised at why the hell were we fighting, why the hell were even discussing or debating on something which was so irrelevant. Okay, so things like that. Suddenly you will want to murder somebody from your family, you will start hitting somebody, beating somebody from your family. Okay, suddenly you will find your family members getting very aggressive, very aggressive all of a sudden. Okay, due to maybe just very little reason. Okay, talking terms will start finishing within the family. Okay, suddenly they will start calling people in the family, they will start making friends which are not of good company, and even if you give a suggestion to them, they will just not listen, they will fight back with you, in a very aggressive way, in a very rude way. So things like that. They will start doing bad investment, they'll stop telling you about their accounts or anything that is happening as for the monetary things. So a lot of disturbances will happen. Okay, so this is one of the major things about the family bonding thing. Also, I have seen in some cases that children have ran away from the family. Yes, because of the marriage things or the love marriage things, or even not marriage and love relationships, but otherwise also that we're not getting along with our parents, so we are just leaving the house and we are going. This is also one of the symptoms of breaking the family. Okay, suddenly you will feel that one of the members of your family, or maybe 2 or 3 members of your family, if you have a joint family, you will start having issues staying with them also in one house. So you will think of what do you say, that do a property distribution. Suddenly people will start talking about property distribution in the family, and you will be like, parents will be like that, What happened to this all of a sudden? Why this is happening? Okay, so all this kind of things that where you actually see that your family is breaking or your family is getting scattered is the symptom. These are the symptoms, the basic symptoms of the family bonding matters getting spoiled. So that means somebody has done a Vashikaran on you. If you're not listening to each other, your mind is not working, you're completely getting operated by somewhere else. So this is one of the symptoms. Let's go on to the next point. That is career matters. Okay. Now, career matters can be again very crucial. Career matters can again be you'll be surprised to hear that some of the parents also contact for Vashikaran practices done on their own children. Yes, it may sound so unbelievable to some, but these kind of things come to us on regular basis. Okay, just because they want their children to take and for what you'll be more surprised to hear, just because your parents want you to take a certain subject or a certain field, maybe science, maybe commerce, okay, or certain technical degree that you're not agreeing to, okay, or not agreeing with, they will suddenly come and it's not that all are doing, but people who contact us, I'm telling you what kind of people contact us with silly things. They think it's a joke. They think that occult science is a joke. For anything and everything is available here. Go contact. People are sitting here to do wrong things and they will get away by doing these things and they will get what they want. Okay, this is what the Kali Yuga time has become. The parents are coming themselves to get Vashikaran done on their own children, own boys, own girls, for their career matters as well. Okay. Also, for that matter, they can be one of your relatives or your dear ones who do not want you to maybe pick up any serious degree or pick up any sort of diploma or graduation or whatever it is as per the availability and your eligibilities, because maybe you're intelligent and suddenly Vashikaran is done on you through your relative that this person should not pick or should not choose that particular field in which he or she can prosper, seeing your intelligence, seeing your brightness. Okay, all this also happens. So if you see your child all of a sudden picking up a wrong career, getting influenced by somebody all of a sudden as far the career is concerned, I have seen people who already wanted to be doctors for years and suddenly once their entrance exams and everything came out, suddenly said, I don't want to be a doctor anymore, I just want to go and work in some corporate field or something like that. Okay, people who've been getting, and some of the people also been getting international opportunities, overseas opportunities to go out and work and create a good salary package and to create a good career and good career prospects outside. But then suddenly they were under the Vashikaran spell of a relative or one of their colleagues or the competitor, in which they left that opportunity and they said, no, we don't want to go anywhere outside our country, we are happy here with this package, with this designation. So all these things also happen in career Vashikaran. Okay, and trust me, these are true things that I'm telling you. These are not any fairy tale stories that I'm telling you here. If it's not happened with you, does not mean that it does not happen around the world. It happens globally. Consider yourself to be lucky. I always say, if nothing like that has happened with you. Okay, I always say this. So respect the things that I'm telling you, or any genuine occult person is telling you, because maybe you're not aware of it. It's the unknown, but the unknown does exist. Okay, so people who are finding these kind of symptoms in their children, in their lives, okay, they can contact for the diagnosis and the case study, in which of course is a paid service, in which you will get to know that whether you are under any Vashikaran spell, your children, your I don't know, whoever, your family member, your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, whatever, whoever. So you really want to understand this and not have a blockage in the mind. You want to confirm this out, you can contact for the case study. And for that, the description section has an email ID, a Gmail ID, in which you will write, please do not make calls to us, because we do not pick up calls. We do not have that much time to pick up calls. And moreover, we get idiotic calls and silly calls sometimes. People just want to come up with their long stories. They don't understand by repeatedly saying that, we get so many cases, we don't remember what you said. So we want everything to be documented on the mail, so that once we read everything, no matter how long mail you write, we read it very carefully. We read it with a lot of patience. Okay, so contact on the Gmail ID, which is given in the description section of the YouTube channel. Okay, and from there, 48 hours, 3 days, 4 days, depending on the crowd and depending on the flow of the calls, the flow of the bookings or the mails, team will get back to you through mail itself. So do not panic and do not say that, oh, it's been just 24 hours and we did not get a call or we did not get any message on the Gmail from your staff or from your coordinators. So because we get loads of mails, it gets difficult sometimes. Maybe or is a pending one, before people who have written to us, they need to be answered. And it's a long queue, trust me. Okay, so that's about it. In the next Vashikaran symptom, we'll be covering up Vashikaran done on animals, okay, and Vashikaran done for suicidal tendencies. To actually you to commit suicide, we'll be talking about that, these 2 points. Okay, so next video, wait for this video. This is going to be the last series of Vashikaran, the next one. I'll see you next week. Till then, goodbye.